Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to invest in index funds on Sofi. Let's get straight into it. First, you got to do is log into your Sofi account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. And once you're logged in, just navigate to the invest tab. Next, you're going to select index funds from the drop down menu, and you can browse Sofi's selection of index funds to find the ones that suit your taste, and then choose an index funds that aligns, of course, with your investment goals and your risk tolerance. And then you can set your investment amounts, and once that's done, you can go ahead and confirm your investment. Now Sofi will automatically invest your funds in the selected index funds. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to invest in index funds on Sofi. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.